Warren Buffett recently sent out his letter for 2024, and I thought he had several good comments. It wasn't really anything earth-shaking in the letter, but I thought I'd cover the major points here really quick. First, he is highlighting that very few companies out there, very few management teams are willing to tell you what the errors and mistakes have been in any given year, whereas he's very happy to do that. He said he's used the word error or mistake 16 times in the last 5 letters, and that most board members won't use the word at all in board meetings, and they certainly won't use it on analyst calls. And his point was, if you try to fool your shareholders, after a while, eventually you fool yourself. And he pointed out that Greg Abel will be continuing this very transparent tradition. Further, I thought it was cool that he never looks at where a candidate for a CEO position at Berkshire never looks where that candidate went to school, ever. And I think it highlights something that's been going on lately about Ivy League schools, is that they've lost their cachet. I mean, it's gone. That the kinds of people they're sending out in their MBA programs are not the kinds of people that Silicon Valley wants to hire, and apparently not the kind that Buffett wants to hire necessarily. Further, he was making a kind of a moment of pride there with Berkshire that they have last year paid $26.8 billion in taxes. He said it's an American miracle that allows Berkshire to do what it does. It couldn't have done it in any other country in the world. And to highlight how much money that is, they're paying $1 million every 20 minutes to the US government. He further said that he really doesn't want to be in cash, but cash is stacking up. Over 50% of shareholder equity is in equities, but that still leaves, and he didn't say this, but my estimate is he's about $340 billion in cash right now. And that, basically he wants to be in equities because businesses will find a way to cope with inflation, and nothing else does as well, in his opinion. And that's pretty much what he had to say for the letter. He's inviting everybody to come out in May to the Berkshire meeting, and we are going to see some rulers out there. I'm not going to be able to make it. I'll be in Europe, but if you go, have a good time, and don't forget rule number 1. See ya.